It is the timeless tale of love and redemption in King Arthur's court. Camelot is at the Goodspeed Opera House from now until September 19th.
And if you reserve tickets on any Wednesday or Thursday night, you will receive special dinner offers from the Gelston House restaurant. Here to fill us in on the show and this fabulous deal, we have Camelot cast member Matt Fouché, and from the Gelston House, Chef Moses Torres. Welcome, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, see the pronunciation? See how perfect it is?
Right, she's been saying Fouché since he got here.
Fouché. I love it.
All right, there we go.
You play in the show,
Dap.
Fouché.
Squire Dap.
And what role does Squire Dap play?
Squire Dap is Lancelot's homeboy, if you will. He's,
I didn't realize Lancelot had a homeboy.
You know, kind of like you and I. You're my homegirl, you know?
Oh, boy. Help me.
Yeah, wherever he goes, I go.
Now, is
Help him out.
Lancelot always picking Dap up, or no, that's not part of the deal?
No, well, I'm actually kind of a smaller version of Lancelot. He's this big French guy, and I'm kind of a shorter version of him. They call me Mini Maxime.
Oh,
Mini
nice.
Max.
Okay.
And how's it going so far? Good?
It's going great. Audiences seem to be having a great time. And
You've done like a couple dozen shows already.
yeah, about 25 now. We have a lot more to do, though.
I
Nice.
bet. Now, Moses, let's bring you in here.
Yes.
Chef Moses, what are you making us today?
This is one of our plates. It's called our rosemary chicken.
Okay.
Okay. We're going to take some seasoning here, which is a combination of garlic powder, onion powder, salt, white pepper, and fresh rosemary.
And that's all you need?
That's all we need.
And I know
All right.
up until now, Fouché has been the sous chef.
I have.
Yes.
Double duty over here.
Yeah, I did some serious chopping
So
earlier.
I'm just going to let you
Done
know
very well.
now, grab the fire extinguisher because Sonia's getting ready to do the seasoning.
What
and
am I
even that
doing?
could
Okay, what
be
am I doing?
perhaps
Take a little bit with your
challenge.
fingers,
Okay.
sprinkle it all over.
All right, Sonia, get your
I'm
fingers
gonna
in there.
get dirty
Okay.
in here, that's
Just
right.
do it. Just do
Yes,
it on
Fontaine.
up. So how much of this are we going to be using, Moses? Just a little bit to taste?
Just a little bit. Is
that enough?
Yeah, that's really
Okay.
good.
Do you turn it over or
See
no?
that? It's
Yeah, no.
really good.
And now
Okay,
we're
Sonia,
going to
she
flip
will
them
never
over.
roll
Okay,
this
we'll do
down.
the other
We're
side.
going to do the other side as well.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, this is the great deal is with Goodspeed is working with Gelston House, and if we were mentioning if you go on Wednesday or Thursday nights and you see
Special
a show, you get special deals at participating
Correct.
restaurants, which is
Yes.
great. So you have dinner and a show.
And there you go. What a great date.
And
you know
then-
what, though? There's a lot of history behind the Gelston House. Talk about that as well, Moses, if you will.
It's been around for quite a long time. I believe at one point it was in Haddam. It was moved across the river. And like I said, it's been around from the Civil War.
And it was a refuge, though, for soldiers and for slaves at some point,
Correct,
wasn't it?
yes. Right.
So-
it was a lieutenant, I believe, Gelson or something like that.
Right.
Well, that
very
would make
good.
sense.
There we go.
Yeah.
Look at there. Moses is like, can we just cook? Okay, get out of here, Moses. Come
We're all
on.
seasoned up. So now,
All right,
now
so
what do we
now
do?
we're going to flour it.
Okay, watch out, girl.
Okay, go ahead.
oh, that's your job. Okay.
Yeah, step back, Sonia. I got
Okay.
this down, okay? Here we
I feel
go.
like we need some musical accompaniment from Fouché as you're
I
flouring.
think so, too. So you going to work it out for us,
Sure.
Fouché?
Okay, and we're going
I'll have to take some of Lancelot singing.
Okay, go for it. Go for
Go
it.
for it.
So, Camelot, Camelot, in far off France, I heard your call. Oh. Yeah, I mean, that's where he comes out. When we first stepped out. Just-
I was like,
With
wow.
that on cue, he
unloads.
performs for us.
Okay, I like that. Just that easy. See
If
what kind of
you
effect we
go
have?
to the Gelston House, too, afterwards, after the show, usually most of the cast is there, so
Oh,
if you go
really?
see the show, you could probably
Oh,
hang
you
out
can
with
mingle.
with lots of the
And
cast.
get
We
an
love the
encore
Gelston.
presentation.
Yeah.
Okay, so now do I just throw it in there?
Hey, just put it back here. We'll do the last piece.
Okay. There we
Now,
go.
the cast comes over after the show. We also have the outside patio or beer garden overlooking the river. It's real beautiful out
It
there.
is such a nice setting,
It
isn't
is,
it?
yeah.
It really
Yeah.
is.
When that rain stops, it's a great place to
Oh,
be.
yeah. Yeah, you get to see the plane land on the water because you got to get speed.
Saturday, tomorrow's going to be gorgeous, though, so you may have a lot of people out there relaxing. Okay, now tell me what I do now,
Okay,
Moses.
You
so-
are fierce with that
All right.
flour,
You
girl.
better watch out, okay?
Now we're going to take it and we're going to put a skin down.
Okay. So skin down. Mm-hmm. Okay. Skin down. Let me see here. Hold on a second. There we go. And then just do the same with the other one?
Yep.
Now, how long does this take from start to finish?
It's just a couple minutes. We're going to sear it up. We'll finish it in the oven.
Okay, now we can continue. Now, how long did you say? Don't start so y'all
Hey,
pick you up.
it takes, like I said, it takes a few minutes. We just want to brown it. brown
Okay,
it
now
off.
what are the ingredients here just to kind of show this brown?
Sure.
I tell you what, I'm going to
Okay,
get
we
her.
have juice of 1 lemon,
Okay.
1 whole shallot.
Chop that.
Oh, it's not a shallot. It's a shallot.
Okay.
Maybe we've been pronouncing it wrong all along.
Perhaps. I love
We
it.
got fresh garlic chopped
Okay.
as well, fresh rosemary,
Okay.
salt, pepper to taste,
All right.
and then we also have white wine and a little chicken stock.
And then again, it's just you're cooking it lightly on both sides, browning it, of course, making sure that it's cooked all the way.
Correct, yes.
Okay. And that's it?
That's it.
Wow. Okay, that's something I can
That
actually
smells
make.
really good.
Okay, you're going to eat that, though.
Matt Fouché, how'd you get into acting?
Well, when I was in high school, I did some of the plays there, and then as it progressed, got more intense, and I went on and did it in college, and then went professional. I just
Yes.
went pro.
How is it, though? I mean, is it all that you thought it would be?
Yeah, it's as challenging as I thought it would be, and a lot of people try to dissuade you from doing it because it's a difficult career because there's not a lot of job
Sometimes you're
security.
eating noodles and sometimes you're eating steak.
Sometimes you're eating ramen,
I know, 33
I got
cents a
some
bag.
new
I
ramen
know.
recipes.
Thank goodness for the Gelston House.
Yeah, right?
So you actually eat really
Black
good.
pepper.
Okay. Now you also added. Let me see. What did you just add here?
A little fresh black pepper.
Okay, fresh. It looked like a little wine bottle.
Doesn't
I said,
it?
well, wait a second
I love
there.
that.
Great. Sonia wants that one for
I
Christmas
do.
too.
All the
Okay,
kitchen
here we go.
gadgets.
And it also has
I
the,
tell you
Gelston
what.
House on it.
Oh
Yes,
man.
I'll take a whole bunch
Okay.
of that, thanks.
Now tell us though also what in terms of like what goes on in the show. I mean, what is the most popular part that you think people like? I mean, what do people go crazy over?
The thing about the show is that it's really about people. It's about a relationship. It's about the love triangle between Arthur, Guinevere, and Lancelot. And the criticism of the show a lot of times is it's too big of a scale, but really our director, Rob, really brought it down. So it's about interpersonal relationships. It's about love. It's about betrayal. So it's something I think a lot of people can kind of connect to.
You
Sounds
are
like
so romantic
Like
right now.
a day in the life of Connecticut style.
I know. Watch out.
Listen, you can find out more about the Goodspeed Opera House or the Gelston House or Camelot's run there. You definitely want to check it out through September, as we were saying, by simply coming to our website, WTNH.com, and clicking on the Connecticut Style link. You are not going to miss my post. You can't lift me.
Yes.
No, you can't.
We want to thank all of our guests here today. Karen, Denise, and Christine
Very strong.
Willett from After the
Look at
Storm.
him. He is as red as a tomato, this poor kid.
Sandra Block and Doug Shaw from the Soundview YMCA. And Chef Moses Torres and Matt Fauché.
Let's pick him up.
Oh, shall we? Okay, let's see. Here we go. Ah! Strong